Alright guys, I want to show you guys something. So I have this iPhone SE here. Obviously it's a gold iPhone SE. And here's how the screen looks. About 2 years ago, I sort of smashed this thing on the driveway. And that's what caused the screen to go dead and break. When this thing was smashed, the LCD display broke. Alright, enough of that. Let's just get right to it. Replacing the screen and replacing the home button was a success. The phone works, everything is well. Home button works, all is well. So anyway guys, I know this video was so short, it's 2 minutes long. I know, I wanted to make sure this video was short and simple. Probably because I didn't want it to, be dragged on. I didn't want, you guys getting boring. I would not want to watch a 20-minute video of someone falling down. Like, I don't want to watch an entire 20-minute vlog just to find out what happens. So, to prevent, wasting time, I'm trying to keep things, simple. So, anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Please press that subscribe button and press that bell icon so that way when I upload a video, you will be notified. So, anyway, guys, if you have enjoyed this, please leave a like. And that's going to do it for this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Alright, peace out, guys. Bye. And maybe I should make more videos talking about this phone. So, alright, bye guys.